We are now at the facility to clean coffee and to prepare it for export. Final steps before they ship it to other countries. It was a very wonderful day. They train their people, very dedicated. They care about footprint, they care about the planet. This type of partners we really like to have in Farmers Direct. Very exciting day, and it's definitely the confirmation that we have a very good partner in this part of the world.